Hello, Ready to Work team. Thank you so much for volunteering to help make these phone calls. This project is for the American Culinary Federation. One of the standards asks that we submit 5 graduates and their places of employment, including the name, address, email, and phone number of the graduates and the employers. Molly and Elizabeth sent me this list of 30 graduates, which I have divided so that each of us has 6 phone calls to make. And here is the division of labor. And then I've also included a script for if no one answers, if someone answers but not the student, and if the student answers. Of course, scripts are a little bit difficult to write because when you're in the moment, you might think of a better way to say things, and that's fine as long as we reach our objective. I created an outreach tracking tab so that we can keep track of all the calls we make because, as you know, we're often looking for students for other projects. And over here, I put a little note section where you can include the date and the result of your call. And if you can add your name, then we'll know later who actually made the connection with the student. Lastly, if you get stuck, please feel free to reach out. My office line is 4175 and my cell is included in the email as well. Thank you so much for agreeing to help. It's nice to be part of such a wonderful team. Thank you.